Hey guys, Jen here from Millennial Nextdoor. In today's video, we're going to go over how to start Amazon dropshipping for beginners. Amazon dropshipping is something I see more and more people taking up. It's great for entrepreneurs that want to start a business but don't have a big startup capital budget. I'm going to share with you what Amazon dropshipping is, what it involves, how to get started, possible costs, and more. Let's get into it. All right, now we all probably know Amazon. It's a huge online marketplace where you can buy just about anything and have it delivered to your doorstep. Amazon operates on a model where they ship items to consumers themselves as Amazon, and then they also welcome sellers to their marketplace. Let me show you the seller page to share more about what's involved with that. You scroll to the bottom of the Amazon page and then click on Sell Products on Amazon. I am recording from home, so if you hear any background noise like family sounds, laughing, playing, that is my family. So just a heads up on that. Okay, so this page tells you everything that you need to be able to sell on Amazon. There are two routes that you can take. You can either do FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon, or you can do FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. If you want to take up drop shipping, you want to make sure that you do the FBM, fulfilled by merchant model, which will allow you to ship your products yourself, other than having, or aside from having Amazon do the shipping for you, which is what the FBA model is all about. Now, drop shipping is appealing because you don't have to invest in inventory up front. With the FBA model, it takes around $1,000 to $2,000 just to get started. You have to buy inventory, you have to ship it to Amazon. There's lots of different costs involved with that. That can be out of reach for a lot of entrepreneurs. Drop shipping is the exact opposite. You start by listing products on Amazon. Once a customer buys from you, you then fulfill that order from the merchant. So you only purchase the order after it's bought from you. So let me give you an example. Okay, so say you're selling this toy truck in your store and someone buys from you. After they purchase, you'll get a notification from Amazon sharing that you made a sale and that this item is ready to be shipped. So at that point, you'll then go to your supplier who has this toy truck, order the truck from them, arrange to have it delivered directly to your customer, and you're done. You can see it's just a 3-step process and you're good to go. You make money with drop shipping by capitalizing off the difference in price between what you're selling it at compared to what you source the product at with your supplier. So you could sell the truck for $10 and buy it from your supplier for $4. So you buy it for $4, you sell it for $10, you keep the difference, $6 as profit. And that's exactly how it works. To get started with Amazon dropshipping, the first thing that you need to do is sign up to Amazon as a seller. They have two plans. They have the professional selling plan and they have the individual plan. The professional plan is about $40 a month. You can see that here. And the individual seller plan is based on a per item basis. Let me see if I can take you there without logging in. Let's see. Okay, well, let me log in. So sorry, I wasn't able to get logged in on the back end while I was recording, but let's continue on. So you have the professional selling plan for about $40 a month, and then you have the individual seller plan, which is on a per item basis. So If you sell 30 items at 99 cents each, it's $30. With a professional plan, regardless of the number of items you sell, it's $40. So if you're trying to decide which one to go with, until you reach 40 items per month that you're selling, I would recommend doing the individual seller plan. I think that that would make better sense. Now, next, where do you source your products from? So you've signed up to become a seller. You're going to do FBM with Amazon. You need to figure out what you're going to sell and where you're going to source from. When I did Amazon dropshipping many years ago, way before Prime was even a thing, I was able to see success right off the bat, selling $2,000 in product every single week, starting from my first week. And the way that I did that was by selling unique products. Now, a lot of the Amazon dropshippers that I hear about, they tend to sell popular products that you can source from places like Walmart, Home Depot, Sears, JCPenney, Lowe's, and that can totally work. And those are all places that you can source from. Retailers in your neighborhood, online stores, those all work. However, the problem with sourcing from those popular retailers is that the margins tend to be really slim. If you're buying the same item at Amazon compared to Walmart, you're going to see that the price is going to be very close. So while you can make a profit, your profit margin is going to be on the lower end. So that's the problem that I have selling popular items. And these are going to be like name brand products, popular name products in home goods, automotive, apparel, footwear, jewelry, beauty, health. So if you go to the store and you pick up a bottle of supplements, it's going to have a brand that will likely be known. And those are the kind of products, those name brand products that a lot of drop shippers sell. So the issue with low margins is that you, of course, want to make more money rather than making less money. So in order to make enough money to really make it worth it, you have to sell a lot of products. And while you can do that, in today's climate, I see it being pretty difficult off the bat. You have to invest in software to find good products with high margins. You have to learn how to use that software and much more into the process. I'm not a fan of that at all. Instead, I'm all for selling unique products. So these are products that you can't find in Walmart or in Amazon. And where do you find those unique products? There are a ton of places. Here's an example. Here I am on AliExpress, which is a cool place to find products to do Amazon drop shipping. And one product that caught my eye are these foaming paper soaps. These may be on Amazon. I haven't checked, but I know that they're brand new and I first learned about it on TikTok. So these are little thin, paper thin soaps that you can take with you on the go. And if you need to wash your hands, you can use this thin paper soap with a little bit of water, wash your hands on the go. So this is great if you're doing shopping and in between stores you visit, you have a bottle of water in your trunk and you have these paper thin soaps and you could wash your hands in the trunk of your car or in the parking lot really quickly and make sure that you're nice and clean and have sanitized hands. This is an excellent idea and a trending product. Trending products like this don't tend to hit Amazon that quickly, so this would be a great opportunity to list on Amazon. So people will see products like this that are advertised in Facebook ads and that a lot of the Shopify store owners are selling and promoting like crazy. And one of the first places that they're going to go to find the product is Amazon. And Amazon usually does not have it. A lot of Amazon dropshippers don't sell stuff like this. They sell from retailers. So that's going to give you a definite leg up. Now, one thing I want to caution is that you do not want to ship from China. When you set up your Amazon listing, first, I would recommend listing a longer handle time, like 10 days. The worst thing that could happen is that it takes you longer than expected to process the order, and it reflects on your rating from the customer. So give yourself plenty of time, pick a longer handling time. When you source from AliExpress, do not source from China. Just because the shipping times are longer, even if you pick a faster shipping time like ePacket, it still takes at least 2 weeks, which is just too long for Amazon buyers. Go with the United States if you're in the United States. Um, Yeah, so that would be my recommendation. So you can source from AliExpress, you can source from other places online. Make sure that you have US shipping, make sure you have the fastest shipping method. Price your product so that you have a nice profit margin. And that's how you do Amazon drop shipping. That wraps up this video, guys. I hope everything made sense. If you'd like to see a part 2 on this, if you want to learn more about how to start with Amazon dropshipping, leave some comments below to let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, smash the like button, hit subscribe, turn on notifications so you can be alerted of when I publish new videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.